Good morning. I'm Lorri with Arkansas Yarn Company.
And I'm Lindsey with Always Yarn First.
And we are coming to you this morning because we are doing our Sock Yarn Society April unboxing.
Yep.
I cannot tell you how excited I am for this one.
This one screams spring.
Because it is. Also, it feels sort of Eastery, but not Eastery.
Yeah.
I mean, it's spring. I love it. Look at the robin's egg blue, the pink,
I can't
the
wait to see this knit up.
We're actually making it sort of a, this one's called How Sweet It Is. And so it's sort of a play on sweets.
I just like close up of the speckles because I got to see Lorri dye a batch of this last week here. And she is a mastermind with the speckles. She does them each color separately of speckle, and then she goes back and like, nope, this doesn't have enough yellow in this corner. So
I'm fairly certain that Anna rolls her eyes inside and out when I'm like, can you add more speckles to this section?
But I mean, it's worth it. I mean, look at that.
I want dynamic, amazing, gorgeous speckles on the yarn, and we just do that.
It is one of your specialties for sure.
We love it.
So
we love it, love it.
What else?
So everybody's getting a little macaron case. You can put your stitch markers in it. I intended for you to put your sweet needle huggers in it. And these are, you put them on the tips of your needles and it keeps the stitches from sliding. Mm-hmm. And then you can move the little metal coil that's inside of it in the middle. You can move that to tighten.
I'm putting it in here right now so it doesn't get lost in my bag.
Yes.
Okay. I have a lip balm.
This is cherry chapstick, and with our label on it. And so we're just like, we have enjoyed everything. Blueberry tea. So delicious. I had a glass of it yesterday.
Pen. Sparkle pen.
I think that one is blueberry. Is that one berry flavored?
I don't know.
Oh, it says it on this edge.
Oh, dark berry sparkle.
Sparkle. You are getting sparkle scented ink pens.
And this is not going to be here by the time I leave.
Yes. I've been wanting to eat those.
And I mean, besides the yarn, I saved the best for last. As
y'all,
always.
The pink, it looks like candy.
It does.
And the gummy bear is so adorable.
Gummies are one of my favorite candies, so I love gummy bear looking stitch markers.
I love them too. And then Jessica, we have upped our game, and we've been making these information cards that go in. And then Jessica put macarons on here and cherries for the cherry chapstick. And we would really love it when you get your box, if you would tag us when you open it and you take pictures. We would really love it if you would tag us so that we can share how dynamic the Sock Yarn Society is, because we want to open it up to new subscribers.
And tag when you are making something with it, because I think it's interesting to see what
people
are making.
I like that too.
Yeah.
Speaking of making something with it, where are you with yours?
I am totally caught up, girl. Again,
love.
It looks like a wonky mess. So I did, block them before I put them together, and then I'll block them again.
It looks so good, Lindsey.
Maybe it's better like this, a little easier to see.
Probably.
Yeah. So yeah.
That looks so pretty.
I love it. I'm
also caught up on mine.
Awesome.
Well, I will say that I have last month's in it already.
Okay.
So, I'm in love, and I mean in love. Y'all know that I was not happy with the melting marl blanket because it had too many instructions for me to follow. Yep. And I really like my evening knitting to be relaxing. Mm-hmm. So I wrote my own pattern, and I am in, look.
I love that.
It is so beyond beautiful. I just put the robin's egg blue in.
Those colors are going together so well too.
They are. I'm actually marling this, so I have both skeins attached right now. So at the moment, I just finished holding the last row. I held this color. This color I held double, and this round I'm getting ready to go back to this color and one of the other of the new ones, and do 2 rows of that going one way and coming back, and then I will cut that one, and then I will go back into the regular monthly color of March. So isn't it beautiful?
So what is the status of the pattern? Can people get this pattern from you?
Not at the moment, because I need to go in and write all of my notes and how I'm doing my marling and where I introduce a new color, because I think that's super important. So, but y'all,
it's lovely.
It's gorgeous. I'm like super happy, and I can't tell you
The squish
is
good.
Holding double is it's luxurious.
Yeah, really is.
It makes a lovely squishy blanket, and I'm like super happy with the way it looks. The colors are turning out great, and I'm loving how the speckles are blending, and the speckles are literally marrying everything together.
Yeah.
It's so pretty. So I will have the pattern. It's probably going to be included in the next year's Stock Yarn Society, probably January.
It's lovely.
It is. I'm having a great time with it.
Yeah.
Which reminds me, don't forget to hashtag us. Hashtag
Nothing but double.
Yes, for our make along. And with the make along, you can
knit or crochet.
Yes.
You have to hold yarn double, so you can marl it or you can hold it with itself, like what I'm doing. Either one. It has to be a blanket. Has to be held double. Those are the rules.
And that's it.
And if you finish an object, there is a board on Arkansas Yarn Co. Ravelry page.
And then we also pull from Instagram. So make sure that you take pictures and hashtag nothing but double, so we can see your progress. We love that you're making these. You're making along with us.
Yeah, we'll probably pull one next month. Maybe next month when we do this video.
Yeah, that'll be fun. We should do that.
Yeah,
it's about time.
It's a quarter of the year's gone by already.
Yeah, already. Goodness, this makes me so happy. It makes me so happy. I am in love with
I can't wait to
so
see
far.
how this knits up.
It's
going
to be beautiful
up for me, because I'm crocheting.
As always, I usually put a little bit of one color from the month before into to marry it in, because
it's going to look great.
Because that's how I roll.
Yeah.
My head won't let me do anything different.
Yeah.
But yes, it's super beautiful. I love it.
Yeah, it's great.
Yeah. Hey, y'all, thanks for joining us as we unbox the April Stock Yarn Society. We're glad you're here.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, thanks for joining us, and we'll talk with you next month. Bye, y'all.
Bye.